I got arrested and my mother bailed me out. I gave Kunal Vijayekar his first break audition. I haven't renewed my driving license since I turned 50.
I think Kunal Vijayekar one is the lie.
You want to go again? You've been superb so far.
No?
Uh.
No? Are you kidding me? Then driving license thing.
Yeah, that's the lie.
That's the lie?
Correct,
yeah,
correct,
because वो jail... Is it? Correct?
Correct.
हाँ तो थोड़ा खुश तो हो जाओ यार दोनों ऐसे.
Mother bailed me out.
Mother bailed me out. What happened?
I've been locked up 3 times drinking.
अच्छा वैसा.
वो तो मैं बंद किया अभी सब
हाँ,
कुछ. And once the whole story we want to know
Yes.
is that Kunal and I were both in the lockup, and I told him, "Now you call your mom because her house was in Riscandi and the police station was closer at Kamdevi." And he said, "No, I'm too embarrassed to call my mom. He's 7.5 years older than me."
Okay.
So he called my mom. So my poor old mom came
Poor thing.
20 years ago,
Right.
and he hid behind a kamba in that. Because he didn't want her to see him. And I'm telling him, but idiot, she came and she paid the bill, 950 bucks each. She knows you are there, no? So what's the point of drunk Kunal hiding behind one pillar and trying to act like he's not there? No, and then he used to call in the landline for the next 2-3 days and he would not. If my mom picked it up, he put the phone down.
Oh God.
I'm like, and she poor thing was least bothered about all this. She was just worried that something happened to us, at that point. Oh God.
Oh dude.
What a guy.
How
But-
drunk was Kunal at that time? My goodness.
He was very badly behaved. Then I did give Kunal Vijayekar his first break.
Oh, lovely.
Audition. As in for his play,
Right.
where he had to audition as Bade Chacha. It was called Ali Baba and Charlie's Store, some
Okay.
version of it, pantomime thingy.
Okay.
And Bade Chacha is the what is the girl's name? Laila, whatever. Her dad. So Ali Baba's in love with this young girl. There's a side plot and all that. So he's this guy keeps spitting in a spittoon and talking. So kids loved it,
Right.
Kids love loud behavior. So he was fantastic at spitting.
So were you in the casting also?
Yeah, so 2-3 of us who were doing the play together,
Right.
Rayal Padamsi actually, and we were sitting there and he was horrible at reading, really bad. But he just made a lot of good expressions and coughed a lot and all. We just found him fascinating. Just like most talent in Bollywood, not really there, but let's put it on.
But they all cough a lot.
They all cough a lot. Yeah. So wo to ho gaya. And then the driving license, since I turned 15, I have not gone. I took my daughter for her driving test.
And
just
you
2 months
still
ago.
didn't give it yourself.
No, why should I? I mean, I'm over 18. I mean, do you have to go after 50 renewal के लिए? करना पड़ता है ना?
अभी भी वापस करना
I have
पड़ता
to double check. I don't know. But I have showed my license to a cop just day before.
है. You didn't say anything.
No. At 5:30 they stopped me on my way to the gym, and we always have lovely dialogue. And I always ask him, आपको क्या लगता है मैं gangster हूँ, आतंकवादी हूँ, देख सब gym bag है इधर. I mean, we have that kind of conversation. He gets most affronted that I'm talking to him, but I talk nicely. I don't talk badly.
All are true.
All are true. I don't die. Only this license thing is not. Oh, the next slot. Karan, please pay attention. They're getting angry.
Okay, yes,
because
yes.
2 ADHDs at the same time is too much.
Oh my
for
God,
them.
I know.
Ready? So another set of 3. 2 are correct. 1 is a lie.
One is a lie.
A famous personality gave alcohol to my dog.
Okay.
Someone else got bashed up for things I did at a yacht party. I ran away from my home to get married to Aisha. Want to read it?
No,
I'll
no.
cover the answer.
No. I'm
I'll
just
say
going
it
to take
again.
a guess. No,
a
I'm going to
famous
take a guess.
personality gave alcohol to my dog.
I think that is true.
It's true. You're right.
It is.
Piyush Pandey.
Piyush Pandey gave
Advertising guru.
Of course.
Bacha, upara, what a lovely dog.
What
I was a young
alcohol
boy,
did he
he
give?
used to live in my lane. So I brought the dog up. They're all drinking and Piyush's chamchas, 10 of them all wearing black. And he's drinking whiskey. And he said, how old are you? I said, 15, 16, whatever. He said, he was doubting, should I pillow him or not? But, those were different times. Then he loved the dog.
Right.
So he said, dog's name was Volpe. He said, Volpe, come here, Volpe. Put his finger in Scotch whiskey, which my dad would never take out except for a special person once in 4 years.
Right.
Scotch whiskey. I started giving my dog the whiskey through the finger. And they became best friends.
Of course.
Every time my dog, we would walk under his building, my dog would be like, let's go. I said, Kutta ji, मैं underage हूँ. We can't go. It was damn cool. Yeah, the way
Yeah,
he
man,
did it.
dude, seriously.
I started doing that with my friends when I started drinking and all that.
You also gave your friends finger में
all of them, like all the boys would do the same thing. Put their hand in the glass and it's damn cool to feel. And the dogs also drinking with you. I thought, you got to experience
This
it,
is
man.
going to be amazing. You play fetch with your dog. You're like,
Yeah.
go fetch. You're like, खुद लेके आओ.
Can you imagine a chore breaks in, the dog is drunk.
Why कल आना आज hangover? Dude, this is crazy,
True
man.
story. Okay, next one. Someone else got bashed up for the things I did at a yacht party.
What is the last one?
I ran away from home to marry Aisha. Or whatever, elope. क्या क्या
I
देखा
think
है
Aisha
सर?
wala is a lie.
You're right.
Seriously?
You're right.
See, I'm a mentalist.
You cracked it, bro. This time you cracked it.
No,
full.
seriously,
Yeah.
is it a lie?
Yeah.
I am surprising myself every single time.
Aisha
because
was-
what I do is fake.
Yeah.
This is actually happening. This is actually happening. Oh God, dude. ज़्यादा पैसा मांगेगा रे?
Yeah. So someone else got bashed up for the things that did at yacht party.
Oh, they tell me this one also.
So this is when I was drinking heavily in those days. You know,
Right.
my good friend Cyrus Saukar had just come. He was a VJ.
Okay.
You remember him?
Yeah.
Huh? So Saukar, young bola bala boy, 17, 18-year-old from Delhi. They lie about their age, so 23. But but very well, spoke very. He's not the way he was. He still is actually a very sweet guy. That part of him is always there. So what happened is he was not drinking or anything. He was very scared of all these, intimidated by all these Bombay types here. Our marketing sales guys, all of us drinking heavily, misbehaving, me shouting and screaming like a nut. All that's going on. He was like, he wasn't comfortable yet. He wasn't yet the Saukar. And I don't know, I used to get drunk and I threw chairs into the... We were on a yacht party and I threw the plastic chairs
Into the
apparently
water?
into the water.
Okay.
And the guys who owned the ship, the word got around, Kisne kiya? And my first name was used. Cut to, when they docked finally, me and Kunal and some others, we took off and went to Bade Mia to eat at Taj area, where it docks. And disappeared, happily ever after. Got into the car and drove off home. Meantime, they are, कौन है, बुला उसको, कौन है, कौन दिखाओ, कौन है, Cyrus कौन है? So he was the only Cyrus left. So while they're hitting him, they physically assaulted him.
God,
And then my
dude.
boys were marketing guys were trying to stop it. He's trying to tell them, मैं वो Cyrus नहीं हूँ. And that they can't understand that there will be two guys called the same name. Then they were put on. Poor guy.
Arey
Scarred him. He was
baap
so
re.
angry. He was so upset. Yeah.
We should have given him whiskey with a finger. He would have been very happy.
Or I could have given him a chair.
Or a chair.
Might as well do it. And then the third one is a complete lie.